Welcome back to a walkthrough of SOL. Throughout the year, Henry Schein will often create specials and bundle items up to assist you with your purchasing journey. In this video, we'll look at how to find them. Let's go to the Offers tab, where we'll be finding all of the content. Firstly is bundles. Bundles are a collection of items that work with or assist each other, and quite often at a discounted price. Catalogs contain two things. Firstly is current specials, and secondly the complete Henry Schein catalogue, which some people might find easier to use. Lastly, promotions contain, promotions. Here you can filter by different categories, so this will help you if you have heard a particular company is having a sale and want to check everything it includes. By checking out these different offers, you'll make sure you get the most out of your budget.